Here we have a USB flash drive that came in this morning. It was shipped express and I had to sign for it. And I'm reading what the customer wrote. USB bent, try to solder it back to the pins. That's all what the customer wrote. Let's take a look at the drive and see what's going on. So the customer tried to resolder the pins, and that's what he said, and it looks like he was not successful, or it still did not work. Okay, so we do see work done here, and right off the bat I see that this pad is broken, but this pin does connect with this resistor. We do not know if the pads under D minus D plus are making a connection. Ground pin here. Let's add some flux and make those pins better than factory. Okay, so we're gonna have to apply more solder here. And this one looks like it's making a connection with the resistor, which is good. Let's inspect other areas of the board. Flip the board. We have the controller chip here. And I just want to check and see if all the pins are making a solid connection. So far so good. And finally, we're gonna check here. And it looks like we're all good. Why don't we plug the drive and see if the computer is able to see it? Right now I cannot plug it like this. We have to put some type of paper behind because the shell is not present. Maybe we'll just cut a piece of paper like this, fold it in 2 or 3 layers. Okay, so I plugged it in and the LED is not flashing. There's an LED here that's supposed to light up when the drive is plugged in, but it's not on, and the computer did not recognize the drive. Something is going on with the drive. We need to figure out what the problem is. We did not check for a short yet, but there are a few things that I want to test and measure. One probe on ground, and I want to measure and see if we have 5 volts here. And we do, 5.0, 25 volts. What about here at the resistor? We have 5.55. What about here? Oh, we have 1.6. Wow. Let's measure one more time. We have 5 volts here, and we have 2.7 volts here. 5, 3.6. Wow, it's fluctuating. 5, 3.8. 5, 3.8. What I need to do is measure this resistor. Maybe we have a problem with this resistor. And I'm gonna measure it off circuit. Okay. And that's a 1.5 ohm resistor, 1R5. And let's measure. What readings do we get for this resistor? (21 ohms). The resistor is reading 21 ohms. That's our problem. The resistor is reading 20.7 ohms. Problem solved. Let's grab another 1.5 ohm resistor, and I have one right here, and that's a 1.5 ohm resistor. We're gonna solder it back on. I'm gonna add more solder and more flux. All right, and I think we should be good. As long as the 5-volt pin is making a connection with the resistor and the resistor is making a connection with the pads, then we should be good. We do not care about making this better than factory now, because all we need is the data and we throw this in the garbage. Meter in continuity mode, we're gonna measure from here, from this pin onto here. Yes. Okay, we should be good. 1 ohm resistor is gonna beep when we have the meter in continuity mode. So right now we should be good. If this works now, it would be a nice end of the day repair. You see it? I see the files. I see the files. Wow. 1.5 ohm resistor did the job. Okay, so I'm gonna unplug and plug it back in. Ta-da! That's amazing. Great end of the day repair. I'm gonna start the backup process for the customer, and we're gonna invoice and mail this back to him after payment. And before we end the video, I wanna thank John Gates for mailing this awesome gift to me. It's a cup warmer. I mentioned in one of the videos that I always tend to drink my tea cold. I make a nice hot cup of tea. Okay, I put it on the side. I get busy with work, and then when I come to drink the tea, it's already cold. And John took it upon himself to mail me this awesome cup warmer. I already tried it, and it's amazing. It comes in 2 pieces. We plug it in, and then I can control the temperature from here. I make my cup of tea, and I leave it on the heater, the heating plate, and it always stays warm. Thank you very much, John. Really an amazing gift, and I do not know how I never thought of such a thing. It's amazing. Thank you very much. We're gonna end it right here. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.